Hi, this is Yogesh. In this lecture, we can see how to create a model, then how the controller pass your model from action to view, and we'll also see what is the strongly typed view. So in step 1, we are creating our first model, that is your product class. So this product class contains two properties. The first one is the product ID and the second one is the product name. In step 2, we need to pass this model from the controller to view. Now, what is the meaning of that? So here I am creating a one action called single product, and inside that we are creating a one obj prod. So this is the instance of your product class, and we are assigning some value inside this property. So 1 and the AC, so we are assigning to product ID and product name respectively. Now it's time to pass this model from your controller action to view. So that is achieved in this step. In the next step, when we create the view, that is in our case single product view, then we have to mention the model declaration. So basically the model declaration specifies the type of data passed from your controller action. So right now we are passing obj prod. So this obj prod is a type of product class. So that's why here we have to specify @model and product class. Then because of this model declaration, your view is aware about what type of data is to be rendered on it, and this view is called a strongly typed view. In step 4, we need to display this model data using a model property. So this model property holding the data passed by your controller action. So right now you are passing the obj prod which contain this 1 and AC. Then how do we access that? Using a @model dot product ID and product name. For this, let's create a one model class. So inside the model folder, create a one class called product, which contains two properties, product ID and product name. Let's create a one controller. We'll give the name of a controller is model sample. So let's change the name of action is a single product. So let's create an object of product class. Obj prod is equal to new product. Let's assign some value inside this product class. Let's say ID is equal to 1 and name of a product, let's say AC. Okay, this product object is my model in this case. So here pass this model from controller action to view. Let's create a one view for this. Add new view and say name of the view is single product. Okay, so we will also generate it. Now here, so let's say from this controller action, currently this view is holding a product object. So basically here we need to write down a model as a product class. So remember, if you are returning a product object from your action to view, so view is aware about what type of data is holding, and the second one is that data is holding inside a model property. So you can see I can get that data using a model dot product ID and model dot product name. So let's say another example. So here we have a list of type product. So right now in the return view section, return this LST product which holding the product object. Let's create a one view for this. Add view, say multiple product. Now remember, in this case your return type is a list of type product. So that's why I'll just copy this list of type product type and test it after a model declaration. So remember, this product class, we have to use a namespace for this. So right now, this multiple product.html expecting a list of type product data from your action. So let's display this into this view. Again, we can use the for each loop. So at the rate for each, and is a var v in model. So you know that your model property holding the data of list of type product, and here I'll just take a one HTML element, that is li, and then we can say v dot product id as well as v dot product name. So first of all, let's run your single product.html. You can see right now it's displaying the single object, and if I change from single to multiple,
so you can get the same result over here. Okay, so in this lecture we covered how to create the model, then how to pass the model from controller to view, and what is the strongly type view.
Thank you for watching.